Hey guys, welcome to our channel Mr. and Mrs. Traveler. In this video, we will take you to the best places you can visit in New Hampshire for fall foliage. We started our journey from Albany, New Hampshire and stayed at this gorgeous property Huttopia for a night. Surrounded by beautiful fall colors, this lakeside glamping was a perfect start to our New Hampshire fall foliage road trip. We drove from Conway to Lincoln on the 35-mile scenic Kancamagus Highway, which cuts through the White Mountain National Forest and provides one of the best fall foliage views in the country. Our first stop was Albany Covered Bridge, located on the Swift River. Surrounded by beautiful fall colors, this wooden bridge has always been a photographer's delight. We then stopped at picturesque Rocky Gorge, which is carved by glacier and has streams of water gushing through the narrow gorge. Sabade Fall is one of the most visited waterfall in New Hampshire and a popular stop along the Kancamagus Highway. A short hike takes you to the edge of the waterfall via gravel path followed by a stone staircase. We also made brief stops along the way at various overlooks and enjoyed the fall colors. There is no service on 35-mile stretch of Kancamagus Highway, so make sure you carry food and fuel your car before entering the highway. After an amazing drive on Kancamagus Highway, we reached Lincoln and grabbed dinner. Then we headed to our AirBnB to spend the night and were welcomed by a sky full of stars. Waking up early morning in this beautiful lakeside property was so rejuvenating. We were amazed to see the fall colors all around the foggy lake. We did a 1.5-mile loop trail called Artist Bluff, which starts opposite to Echo Lake in Franconia Notch State Park. The view from the top was breathtaking. It is a very popular trail, so get there early in the day to enjoy the view peacefully. A stunning natural wonder in Franconia Notch State Park, the Flume Gorge is a 2.2-mile easy scenic trail that takes you to cascading waterfalls, historic covered bridges, and much more. You need to reserve a ticket online in advance to visit this place. We have provided all the details in the description below. Next, we drove the Mount Washington Auto Toll Road in Gorham, New Hampshire. The 8-mile road offers stunning fall colors, breathtaking sceneries, and thrilling driving experience with twists and turns to the summit. You can also ride Mount Washington Cog Railway to reach the top of the mountain. We ended our day hiking the Mount Willard, a 1.6-mile trail to the summit. We enjoyed the insane view at the top and clicked lots of pictures. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video and plan your next fall foliage trip to New Hampshire. We are adding new travel videos every week, so stay connected. Subscribe to our channel Mr. and Mrs. Traveler and click that bell icon for notifications. See you guys in our next video.